Looking for your next party hit? This melting pot Copycat Fondue is about to make you the host that everyone's talking about. Nothing brings people together like gathering around a pot of hot, bubbling cheese. And this just isn't any cheese, it's the melting pot magic at home. One pot, endless fun, and the best part, it costs just a fraction of the restaurant price. You didn't even need to make reservations for this or get a babysitter. Create the ultimate dipping station with crusty bread, crisp apples, and tart green apples. Let your guests get creative. And yes, there are fondue rules. Drop your bread. Traditional fondue parties say that it's a dare or a party favor ode, whether it's game day, holiday gatherings, or just because, and this is your new party superstar. The best conversation happens over melted cheese, and trust me, your guests are going to be talking about this one for weeks. This is how memories are made, one cheese pull at a time. Now let's get this fondue party started. And if you want more Copycat recipes, come to copycat.com.